Getting those cravings for a good old Korean lunch? Or doshirak? It's these cafeteria-style trays with rice, meat, kimchi, eggs, and different goodies. We found out that Eggs with Benefits in Rogers Park, just around the corner from us, has some really solid options, and for very reasonable student prices. We've gotten takeout from them before, but we really can't get enough. And with the sun peeking out, we decided to go for a delicious lunch date, although we could easily have had this for breakfast or dinner too.
So I ordered a Korean Doshirak, and this is the content. So you can see it has kim, or seaweed, spam, eggs, and kimchi. And I like how it's cooked kimchi, because that's my preferred way of eating it. and some rice, so let's dig in. Yeah, I really do like the kimchi in this. It's really good. It's not super spicy. And yeah, it has a little bit of crunch, but yeah, everything goes so well together.
How much for the bowl?
This one's $11.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
It's pretty filling because of the rice.
It is, yeah. So what'd you get?
I got the steak and eggs because I actually do this at home, but it's not as delicious. Yeah, the egg is perfectly cooked. It's soft. It's not like dry or anything. Well,
Yeah.
well, good. Did you prefer that one?
Yeah. I mean, that one's good, but the steak and eggs one. Ooh.
I left you half, so enjoy.
I think it's kind of like the sauce.
The steak sauce, yeah.
The steak sauce, yeah. It's really good.
After such a filling meal, a nice walk is definitely in order. Let us know if you've had Korean Doshirak before, and what other interesting foods are y'all hoping to find here in Chicago. And as always, we're looking forward to your comments.